One of the consistent drawbacks with the Royal Enfield 650 twins, since the 2018 launch, was that you had to live with tube tires. After a much longer wait than expected, Royal Enfield has finally decided to offer both the Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650 with alloy wheels that support tubeless tires. This is wonderful news, but many people seem to find that the retro charm of the 650 twins is lost with the look of the alloy wheels. That's just a matter of personal preference, if you want a 650 twin but also want the peace of mind that comes with tubeless tires. What I meant peace of mind here is, every puncture will be a nightmare on this 650 with spoke rims. In fact, I have faced many puncture. All of these were repaired with a new tube every time. Also, once you take out the rim, the bike goes out of alignment and hence you have to visit the workshop to get it balanced and aligned. Spoke wheels have their own advantages. Traditionally, spoke wheels are more rugged. They are also easy to repair in case of bends and hence most ADV bikes and rally bikes come with them as standard. Both has advantages and disadvantages, the choice is yours. You can order alloys as individual spare parts from Royal Enfield. The front alloy is priced at 7,500 rupees while the rear one costs 9,000 rupees. You would need to buy separate tubeless tires with the alloys. I have brought tire also from Royal Enfield. Tire brand is Vredestein. It cost front tire 4,080 rupees and back tire 4,850 rupees. But for the tire, you have lots of choice in the market. So friends, after upgrading to alloy wheels and tubeless tires, I have ridden 3,000 kilometers. I have been riding in a similar style as I did before with spoke wheels. Of course, the ride comfort has improved, and the handlebar feels much lighter. It's definitely a worthwhile upgrade. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching.